As we discussed previously, stuffing your title or your description with a long stream of keywords is not only unlikely to help your video perform better, but it's against YouTube's community guidelines. Instead, the best place to put all of the keywords and phrases related to your video content is in the tag section. Tags are just another form of metadata that YouTube uses to better understand what your video is about, and who it should suggest it to. Like your title and description, tags should be both accurate and relevant. Using tags that don't accurately represent the content of your video will not help you, because when your video doesn't deliver what it promised to a viewer, your watch time will decrease, and then YouTube will stop recommending that video to new viewers. So it actually hurts you. So that's the purpose of tags, but how many should you use, and how can you best optimize them for YouTube search? Well, YouTube has no official recommendation on the number of tags it's looking for in any of its online documentation. But during our YouTube partner consultations, our manager at Google always said, as many as are needed to describe your video, which is pretty vague. So when I pressed her a little further, she said anywhere between 6 and 12 tags is suggested. All that to say, I don't have a strong feeling that YouTube really cares about perfectly optimized tags, and I don't think it will actually make or break a video. But that doesn't mean they should be ignored. Here's a few tips we've learned over the years to quickly generate a list of optimized tags. Focus on both keywords and key phrases. The tag field is not limited to just single keywords. You can use sentences and short alternate titles. Anything that will help YouTube understand your video better should go in the tag section. Don't worry about punctuation, capitalization, or preposition. Tags are for YouTube only. They're not for users, and you only have 500 characters. So if you use phrases, eliminate words like the, a, at, on. Cross-reference other videos that have similar content. So if you mention a previous video in your video that you're posting, be sure to include similar tags from both videos so that YouTube knows that the new video is related to the old video. Does that make sense? Provide context. Tags are a great place to tell YouTube who is in the video, what they're doing, and why they're doing it, and when it's happening, if that's relevant to the video. For example, let's look at our Is College Worth It video as an example. A tag section for that video might look like this. Mike and Lauren. Is college worth it? University. Student loans. Debt. Florida State University. Advice. College versus trades. Vocation. As you can see, we make sure to include who is in the video, what topic was discussed, and why there might be doubt, and a little bit of context, like our alma mater, Florida State University. If you want help creating tags, there are plenty of online keyword generators and metadata scrapers that you can use to improve your tag optimization. But personally, I don't think tags influence YouTube's decisions enough to spend that much time, or in some cases quite a bit of money, purchasing those tools. Write tags as if you were describing the video to a friend, and I think you'll do just fine.